Well, hello everybody. It's me, Connie, from the Danville Public Library, and today we're going to make a snack. This week, when you pick up your packet at the back door, we will have a craft in it for Father's Day or for someone special that you love, and it has a lion on it. So we're going to make a lion, and this is what you'll need. You will need some cookies, okay? You'll need some pretzels that look like this. You'll need chocolate chips and you'll need some popcorn. Now this lion has a cheesy popcorn mane and this lion has a caramel corn. So what you do first is you get you a nice big bunch of peanut butter and you put it on your cookie. All make sure you get all the way to the edges because we have to hold that popcorn on and just put it all over like that. And this is what it looks like. And then the next thing you do is you get a pretzel that looks like this and you put it, about right there in the middle of your cookie. Now you can see that your lion has two eyes and a nose. So I'm going to turn it up this way because right here is his nose, and I'm going to put a chocolate chip in there and turn it upside down. And then one chocolate chip for an eye and another chocolate chip for the other eye. Now you're like, okay, what's missing? Well, take your popcorn and put it all around the edges, just like this. And you're going to have a beautiful, beautiful lion with a really colorful mane. And that's what we call that part of the lion. And just take your popcorn and put it all the way around the edges. And I think I can fit one more. Oh, let's put one more right there. And here's your lion. And I want you to eat him up and enjoy him. Make some for your friends. Go on YouTube and look at all of our videos we've done and post something so we know that you've been watching. And don't forget to pick up your things at the back door Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9 to 1, Tuesday, Thursday, 2 to 6. We miss you and we hope to see you soon. But in the meantime, we're thinking about you. See you. Bye-bye.